Anthropic just revealed that Claude writes over 80% of its own code and is getting 52 times faster at optimizing itself every year. Their new report, When AI Builds Itself, warns that AI systems designing their own successors could arrive sooner than anyone is prepared for. I analyzed over 34 sources covering this report to break down what the data actually shows, what the critics are saying, and why the timing is raising eyebrows. On June 4, 2026, Anthropic published When AI Builds Itself through the Anthropic Institute. This isn't a traditional research paper. The core concept here is recursive self-improvement, or RSI. That's the point at which an AI system can autonomously design and train its own successor. Think of it like compound interest, but for intelligence. Each version is smarter than the last, and each improvement comes faster than the one before it. Anthropic's message is clear. RSI could come sooner than expected. They're calling for a global mechanism to pause development if certain thresholds are crossed. I synthesized over 34 sources for this video, including expert commentary from Wharton and Georgia Tech. No sponsors, just the data. Let's talk numbers. Claude now writes more than 80% of all code merged into Anthropic's production codebase. In roughly 16 months, an AI system went from writing almost none of its own code to writing the vast majority of it. Anthropic engineers are now shipping 8 times as much code per quarter as they did from 2021 through 2024. The human role has shifted to architect. Task duration is scaling exponentially. Mythos preview has been measured at over 16 hours of continuous autonomous work. That's a full workday length project. A code optimization test went from a 3 times improvement with Claude 4 to approximately 52 times with Mythos. A skilled human needs hours just to hit 4 times. In one safety project, 9 parallel Claude agents recovered 97% of a performance gap. That work was estimated at 4 human years of engineering effort. The report outlines 3 distinct scenarios for where this leads. Let's break them down. Future 1 is a plateau where progress stalls. Future 2 is compounding efficiency where 100-person companies do the work of 10,000. Future 3 is full recursive self-improvement. AI builds its own successors. Development is limited only by chips and energy, not human oversight. The last human edge was research taste, choosing the right problems. But AI is matching human judgment 64% of the time now. That gap is shrinking. Jack Clark sees a 60% plus probability that no human-involved R&D happens by end of 2028. These aren't fringe predictions. Now the criticism. Anthropic filed for an IPO just 3 days before publishing this report. That timing has raised eyebrows across the industry. Experts like Mark Riedel and Ethan Mollick suggest this could be navel-gazing or marketing, a safety-first brand narrative right before a public offering. Critics also point to physical world constraints. The software might recurse, but you still need chips, data centers, and massive amounts of energy. This isn't just Anthropic. OpenAI is targeting an automated AI research intern by September and a full autonomous researcher by March 2028. The race is on. Startups are raising billions explicitly for RSI. Every major player is chasing the same capability. The data is real. AI systems are measurably accelerating their own development. The human role at the frontier is shrinking quarter over quarter. The question isn't if AI will build AI, it's whether we'll have governance structures in place before the feedback loop closes entirely. Do you think this is genuine concern or strategic positioning? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for unsponsored, data-driven analysis. I'll see you in the next one.